Hello everyone, I am Ritu from VSPL. Some amazing back-to-back news coming up. This is our second student visa we received. So, hi,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm fine.
Congratulations for getting visa.
Thank you.
Do you have any country, course or university preference?
No, actually I was clueless about which country to select. After visiting VSPL, they suggested me some countries, and after getting insight about that countries, I selected Canada. And then I applied for Bachelor in Computer Science in University of Regina, Canada.
So while processing, do you face any challenges?
No, I didn't face any challenges. The process was smooth. VSPL provide end-to-end support.
How many days you are getting your visa?
I got my visa in 2 weeks, and upon receiving the news, my family members and me were very happy.
Okay. So thank you so much. Again, congratulations for getting your visa and all the very best for your future.